this is Seema Rajpal and you're watching Straight Up by edX Live. At Jantar Mantar, New Delhi yesterday, August 21st, about 200 educators from non-clinical disciplines from medical colleges nationwide gathered to protest against a few directives of the National Medical Commission. Why? It was because of the alleged discriminatory stances of the NMC against this segment of students and educators. The protesters' main contention is the claim that doctors should only teach medical students and that non-clinical subjects must be taught only by doctors with MD, MS qualifications as well. How did it all begin? After the Medical Council of India was replaced by the NMC, the allowable percentage of non-medical teachers, 30% in anatomy, biochemistry and physiology, and completely removed from the earlier 30% limit in pharmacology and microbiology. After this, on August 1st, the NMC revised the regulations for the competency-based medical education curriculum meant for undergraduate courses. In its revised regulations, it was mentioned that only those assistant professors with an experience of 4 years who have an MBBS degree can become examiners, leaving out faculty members of non-clinical subjects who possess MSc and PhD degrees. Let's hear it from a member of the group which called for the protest, National MSc Medical Teachers Association.
Our journey had been marked by unyielding challenges due to the discriminatory policy of the NMC. Let me highlight some of the ongoing instances of discrimination, opportunity denial and the hardship inflicted by the MCI and the present NMC. There is an unwarranted instances where PhD for assistant professor position has been demanded even though it is not mandatory by UGC. The demand for PhD for the post of demonstrator seems to be designed to keep the non-medical teachers out of the system. Despite the comparable qualification of medical MScs and the MD courses, the former is being unfairly treated and not recognized as a basic qualification. Equating a postgraduate and a doctoral qualification, that is MSc plus PhD, with a graduate qualification, that is MBBS, is both demeaning and it is unjust. Non-MBBS teachers are being excluded at many places from the faculty training program like the revised basic coursework, CISP and EdCom. Opportunities to serve as an undergraduate examiner are being denied. The tenure of tutor demonstrators has been limited to 3 years, seemingly to discourage the non-MBBS teachers from continuing in their position. The feedback and appeals from the non-MBBS teachers and their association are constantly being rejected. The medical MSc, it is not mentioned as a recognized postgraduate course in qualification in the faculty declaration form of the NMC. The senior professor with non-medical qualification are denied the chance to head the department. The absence of representation has allowed the regulatory bodies to alter the rules at will, often leading to the changes that negatively impact us. We don't have a dedicated council to oversee the medical MSc courses or to register professionals like us working in different medical colleges, hospitals and diagnostic labs. We strongly urge the government to establish a regulatory body called the National Commission of Scientists in Medical Education and Healthcare.
That's all from us today. We will see you again tomorrow. Mask up and stay safe.